In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix NordVPN not connecting on Windows 11. So a lot of guys are downloading VPN from different sources, which is popping issue. So what I suggest is download from the official um, platform, which is NordVPN itself. So head over to that and get yourself NordVPN. And once you're there, you can see the very first step is going to be installing it. So you need to click onto this option to install, and below you can see a pop-up is going to be appearing, which is going to be asking you for the permissions. Make sure to click on yes, so that is something that should be taken care of. And then you're going to be installing it. Click on next, and then you have this install option, and you can see we have browser extension option to install that as well. And by the way, before you get NordVPN, you can head over to the link in the description of this video to get 70% off on NordVPN, and that, my friend, is going to be helping you to get it. So I hope this helps, and finally your NordVPN is going to be working perfectly fine. If you still face any issues, you can let us know in the comments below, and I will be personally replying back to you, fixing up that issue. And yeah, that is about it. Take care and see you in the next video.